皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop a learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn the verb conjugations, and the topic is did you do something? So it's useful to when you have a conversation, did you do something? And did you have a meal? Like this. So you're gonna learn it in Japanese. If you haven't learned any verbs yet, please check out my previous video. Let's get started. In this previous lesson, we have covered past tense of the verb. Do you remember? So mas changed to drop to mashita. Then today we will learn the did you do something? Did you phrase? So it's a simple. You have a past tense, 会いました, then change to 会いましたか? So this kanji read あ. 会う means to meet, to see. So 会いましたか? So you add か at the end. Other verbs, 待ちます change to 待ちました is past tense. Do you know 待ちます means? 待ちます means to wait. Wait something, wait for someone. Then change to 待ちましたか? So か at the end. And then one of the students asked if you need a question mark after the ka. You don't need to have a question mark here. But if you want, you can add it if you want it. So because ka already meaning is question. For those who can't read Japanese letters yet, we can practice in Romaji. Repeat after me. 会いましたか? Means did you meet? 待ちましたか? Did you wait? 取りました change 取りましたか? 取ります means, do you know the meaning? 取ります取ります means to take ね。取りましたか is did you take? Okay. 仕事をします change しました is past tense. Then if you want to change to question, 仕事をしましたか so you have a か at the end. Then します verbs or can be dropped or included. If it's formal conversation, probably better have a wo. Wo can be pronounced o or wo, either is fine. More natural way, maybe just sounds like o. So like this, 仕事をしましたか? That's a natural speed. 仕事をしましたか? 仕事 means job. しましたか to do something. So did you do job, your job? So 仕事をしましたか? Okay, so let's practice. Repeat after me. 取りましたか? Or another one, next one. 仕事をしましたか? I typed WO because, not because of the pronunciation, because of the typing. When you type it on the Japanese letter, that's how you type it, WO, to show up that hiragana wo. That's why I show you the WO. Okay, so let's look at the example sentences. 例文を一緒に見てみましょう。昨日先生に会いましたか? So that means, did you see your teacher yesterday? So 昨日 is yesterday. 先生 means teacher. Then particle for 会います is particle user with に action towards to the someone. So に会いましたか? Let's practice. Repeat after me. 昨日先生に会いましたか? Next sentence. So response to the previous question. はい、会いました. You can drop 先生に simply 会いました is okay. But full sentence will be はい、先生に会いました. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. はい、会いました. Next example sentence. 駅で友達を待ちましたか? What does that sentence say? Do you understand the meaning? So, 駅で、駅 is a vocabulary station, train station. 友達is friends, で、待ちましたか is a wait. So, did you wait for your friends at the station? So, the 待ちます someone, wait for someone is you can use particle here. Repeat after me. 駅で友達を待ちましたか Then, if the answer is no, you can say いいえ、待ちませんでした。すいませんでした。We will learn didn't do something. Repeat after me. いいえ、待ちませんでした。Okay, so I'll give you the exercise. 練習問題ですね。How do you say, did you have a breakfast? どう言いますか？スタート。はい。では答えを確認しましょう。答えは、答え means answer ね。朝ごはんを食べましたか？そう、朝ごはんを食べましたか？ It's the answer. So, 食べます。change to 食べましたか？ Did you have? これね、日本の朝ごはん。This is a typical Japanese breakfast. 卵焼きね。卵焼き。で、これ味噌汁。味噌スープ。で、ご飯。Okay? で、これ2つ。おかず。おかず means side dishes. はい。次、2番。Did you take some photos? これどう言いますか？日本語で。スタート。はい。では答えを確認しましょう。写真を撮りましたか？ So, did you take is 撮りましたか？ Then photos is 写真ね。Okay, repeat after me. 写真を撮りましたか？じゃあ3番目、3問目ね。Did you work today? これは何と言いますか？スタート。はい。では答えを確認しましょう。今日仕事をしましたか？今日 is a today. 仕事をする is a to do work, to do job. So you can use しましたか、ましたか。Repeat after me. 今日仕事をしましたか？はい。This time, we will practice speaking without relying on the text. If you find yourself stuck, feel free to go back and review the previous sentences where we focus on the mashitaka sentences. This exercise will greatly improve your listening and speaking skills. Let's start by repeating after me. 昨日先生に会いましたか？はい、会いました。駅で友達を待ちましたか？いいえ、待ちませんでした。朝ごはんを食べましたか？写真を撮りましたか？ Okay, that's for today. Well done with your practice. 見てくれてありがとう。Thank you so much for watching. もしもっと学びたかったら、オンラインコースをチェックしてみてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have access all the lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description on the below. I'll see you in the next video. それではまたね。ありがとう。さようなら。